Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to change the battery pack in a Schlage Wi-Fi lock. The process is pretty simple, so we'll go over that, show how to remove the existing batteries, what batteries you're going to need, and how to replace them back into the lock itself. Okay, so we have our Schlage lock here. So to access the battery pack on this, it's not going to be on the outside cover. You're going to want to go to the inside cover, which is going to be on the inside of the door. So we'll just turn this around here. And to access the battery pack, it's quite simple. All you have to do is push this up or pull it up. This will expose the back of the lock. And then this little compartment right here also just pulls right out. And then when you flip it over, you're going to have 4 AA batteries here. So when these batteries are dead and need to be replaced, simply just remove these, add new 4 AA batteries, flip this back around, reinsert into the lock, push all the way down, reattach the cover, and then the lock will beep at you to indicate that it's detected the batteries and that it's powering back on. And a good way to test that is to go back to the outside cover and a quick press. We have our lights. So the battery has been replaced and the lock is powered back on again. Okay, so I know we went a little bit quick there, so I'm just gonna go over this information again, just as a quick review. So we have our battery pack closed. We're gonna open this up, pull out the existing battery pack, and we're using alkaline AA batteries. It is very important that you use alkaline only for this. And also polarity does matter. So if you have maybe 1 or 2 of the batteries mixed up, the lock may still work, but you're likely going to have some issues coming up later with the functionality of the lock. And then just to show, so it's pretty obvious, polarity for the batteries. And the final one. So again, observe polarity and make sure you're using alkaline only. So we can put the battery pack back into the lock, close the back up, and let's just turn this around. Okay, so we saw the light there just for a moment. So we're just going to test the lock, make sure it's functioning properly. So we will press the lock key, get our confirmation beep, and then we're going to unlock. Perfect, got a confirmation. The lock is functioning. We know the batteries are good. Now, if you have a low battery error, the lock will actually let you know as well. So just to simulate that real quick, I'm gonna take out the battery pack. We're gonna place it back in and we're gonna look right above the logo here. There's gonna be a little red light. So battery pack back in. And that red light right there. So if you have a low battery, that light will stay lit and let you know. And when you're changing the batteries, it's best that you change all 4. So don't just change 1 or 2 because again, that's gonna lead to further issues down the line with functionality of the lock. And you'll probably get that low battery error coming back up much sooner than it needs to. So when you do change the batteries, make sure you change all 4 at the same time. Okay, so that is how you replace the batteries in a Schlage Wi-Fi lock. As you saw, the process is quite simple. It's easy to confirm that the lock was powered back on when we inserted the new AA batteries. Again, you're gonna need 4 of those. And then after that, your lock will be back in a working order, and then we'll be good to go until you need to replace the batteries again. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We can be reached by phone. Our phone number is 888-818-7728. We have an email address. Email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And on our website, alarmgrid.com, you can access our chat option as well. So either way, just reach out with any questions and we'll be happy to assist you. Once again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.